Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henin kasngi ka khatnyo trek Urisau, ka Chera Teachers Training Center, ne ya kablat jutip lingkot kum ka CTTC, ka wai ni ki jaka aji kai na kabenta kino hikai, ka buran hapo ka sinong sora, kalapan ha perdano ya ka jira ke dap sispa san posnam, ne ka kwaski centennial celebration da ka jelang ka ba ipo ipeng. Ya kini ke jelang panha perdala pelong ha pelau jong kini hi ki jaka pude ka bahasa ora. Ha ka bau menteri rang ba jong ka sarkar jelau Dr. Mukul Sangma, ulolong Ukongsan, kat bau Principal Secretary Katnat Pulih Putih jong kesarkar jela ubah Donald P. Walang lolong kum sembot Kongsan. Kiwai ki belai dan lang hakani kesiki kentop yu moderator ke KGP Assembly, Reverend S.S. Majau, Senior Administrative Secretary ke KGP Assembly, Reverend N.S. Pawa, bat UMDC ke Sora Constituency ubah Donovan Karwan lang kinohikai lambat kiwai de ki balas akar soba. Lapan ipo ipe ye gani kesingi lengba ki jingruai na kinohikai bat kasken nalor kiwai de. Hakani kejo kasngi UMDC ke Sora ulapan heru iki balun kum kadang balapan ha perdano yakni kejar ke yo maumer basis pa san posnam jong kani kejaka pulih.
Okay. Thank you.
I must join all of you in placing on record our deep sense of appreciation and sense of gratefulness to the founding members, the pioneers of this Teachers Training Center. The seed has been planted here and it has grown, borne fruits, and we see the outcome all over, across the state and across the region. This center has not served only the need of the people of the present state of Meghalaya, because the history speaks for itself. It was for the whole region, which was not divided as we are now into different states. So you can understand as to how there are many other stakeholders who have benefited from the service that has emanated from here.
Yaga पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाइए तारे जमीन पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल